Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to reset audio settings to defaults on Windows 11. On Windows 11, you can reset most of the audio settings to their defaults to resolve common problems while trying to listen to music or watch videos on your device. And this guide, you will learn how. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and start na natin. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating start menu. So right click ka lang and then select mo lang yung settings. And then dito lang sa systems yung pinakauna lang, and then dito lang sa right side, select mo lang yung sounds. And then dito sa sounds, scroll down and select lang natin yung volume mixer. Then dito sa volume mixer, and dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung reset sound device and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. So click mo lang itong reset, so click mo lang ito. And then ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-reset ng sounds into defaults sa Windows 11. And I hope na nasundan nyo ang ating step-by-step method at comment ka lang and any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.